Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to log in automatically after Windows Update in Windows 11. First method is change sign in options. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version, click WinLogon. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as ARSO user consent, change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.